Welcome to Safar AI, your journey to better English. These are interactive videos, so you won't just watch, you'll participate. Throughout the video, you'll see questions on the screen. Make sure to answer them before moving on. These videos are designed to help you practice and check your English skills. Let's have this conversation. Weekend plans.
Hey Ben, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents on Saturday. We're going to have lunch together.
That sounds nice. I'm going to stay home and clean the apartment.
On Sunday, I'm going to watch a football match with my friends.
That's fun. I'm going to meet my cousin at the mall on Sunday.
Are you going to do any shopping?
Maybe we're going to look for shoes.
Sounds like a good weekend.